Hey, hi team, good morning.
Good morning, Praveen.
So,
Hi, very good morning.
hello everyone, good morning again. Welcome to our online SAP Success Factors training. Okay, hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, you are audible.
Thank you. Okay, so extremely sorry if you have joined the study. So, due to some technical issues, we couldn't make it. Okay, so from today onwards, the classes will be at on regular. Fine. So, before starting the session, uh, I'm just waiting for other people to join. Okay, so today it's going to be the first session, guys. I hope all of you have attended the demo or anyone missing. How about everyone?
Yes, I attended.
Okay, good. How about others? Everyone attended, right? The demo. Okay, guys. So let us start the session. So before starting the session, let us have a quick introduction since today is our first session. So we'll have a quick introduction of yours one by one. I just wanted to, I mean, in during our demo we have, but now we'll take since this is the formation of the class, the batch. So just I need your, the name as well as the amount of experience you have and the location. Okay, these are the three lines I required from you people. So then I'll introduce myself and then we'll jump into the class. Okay, please go ahead one by one.
Yeah, hi, Praveen. Yeah, hello. Hello.
Yeah, hi. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
I'm Devi. I'm from Hyderabad. I don't have any experience in IT side. I have it in stock market side. So I need to switch from non-IT to IT.
That's great. How many years of experience do you have?
2 years.
Well, Devi, fine. I'll come back to you. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
The next person, please.
Hi, I'm Pavanveena. I am from Pharma. I have no experience in IT background, and I'm from Delhi.
Yeah, hi Pawan Veena. I remember you. Thank you. I'll come back. Next person, please.
Hi Praveen, this is Jyotirmai.
Hi,
I
Jyoti.
have,
Hi. Mm-hmm.
I have 4 years of experience with recruitment and I'm from Hyderabad.
Thank you, Jyotirmai. I'll come back. The next person. Uh, Rahul Rinki. Yep.
Yeah, hi Praveen, this is Rinki. I'm from Pune. I have 7 years of experience in accounting and I want to move to IT sector.
That's great, Rinki. Thank you. I'll come back. The last person, Rahul.
Hi, this is Rahul, and I have about 3 years of experience in 2.5 to 3 years of experience in HR operations,
Excellent, Rahul. And you are from Rahul?
and I'm from Visakhapatnam.
Yeah. Thank you, Rahul. Fine. So, guys, let us start the session. So, I have introduced myself already, but let me again. Okay, so my name is Praveen, having around 17 to 18 years of experience. Okay, I'm currently working for one of the top MNC company as an architect. So, I used to provide these trainings as well as the corporate trainings. Okay, I work for US, Malaysia, Singapore, and a couple of other Middle East countries. Okay, this is about me. So I'll be taking the entire classes on this success factors employee syndrome. So we'll be starting with our today's session. So I'm going to explain you all the real-time scenarios end-to-end one implementation project. Okay, we are going to do it. Since I understand that most of you are from non-IT background, okay, so it doesn't matter. So I'll be starting from the ground level for everyone. Okay, how the implementation projects, okay, in the real time, okay, everything I'll be taking care. Okay, so I'll be starting from here, guys. Okay, so hope all of you can see my screen, right? So all of
Yes,
you can see my screen. Okay, thank you.
yes.
Fine.
Yes.
So, so understand that all of you are from non-IT background, as well as you people can, uh, correlate the things. Okay, so I'll be starting from the ground level. Okay, all these things, so let me start from here. So we'll be working on this SAP success factors. Okay. So what do you mean by SAP success factors? As part of the demo, I have already explained you. Success factors is one of the cloud application. Success factors is one of the cloud application. Okay. So in this cloud application, we'll be working on the HR solutions. HR solutions. So what do you mean by HR solutions? As part of the demo, already have explained you in every organization, you'll have the employees, you'll have the employees, and you're going to work on the HR activity, something like maintaining their master data. Okay, right from starting, like hiring an employee, it starts with hiring an employee. You're going to hire an employee. Once you hire an employee, you're going to maintain his master data of the employee, his personal information, job information, okay, previous employment information, or family information, education information, everything. And after that, you're going to maintain the other structures, like their position information. What is his position, what is his reporting structure, to whom he is going to report. Okay, then the time related aspect, something like what time he has to log in, what time he has to log out, how many days in a week he has to work. Okay, and how many leaves he is entitled for, annual leave, sick leave, casual leave, all these things and all. Okay, and finally, based on his attendances, you are going to run the payroll of the employee. Okay, you're going to run the payroll and you're going to release the salaries for those employees. These are the complete HR activities in every organization related to the employee. In every organization, you have the employees, and these are the HR activities you're going to perform. To perform in a better way, we have a number of applications which are available. So one of the application which we are going to work is success factors. So success factors is one of the cloud application, very simple cloud application. Now let us start our first session, and today is 21st. Okay, so I'll come down. So first session, before we start on these success factors, first we will understand what project you people are going to work. So you might have heard, like, I have done implementation project, I have done support project. Let us understand clearly. Okay, what do you mean by this project? And first of all, how many projects we have in every software company. Okay, how many projects, what kind of projects you have it. First, what do you mean by the client? I'm starting here from the ground level for everyone, guys. Okay, first, what do you mean by client? What do you mean by client? Anyone? Who is client? What do you mean by client? Just, it's
Uh,
going to be an
Client is
interactive session. Yeah, go ahead, please.
he is our customer who needs our help.
Perfect. A client is a customer, okay, who needs our help. Okay, in other words, A client is the person who is bringing a business to us. Okay, who has some certain requirement, and we are going to provide the service to them. In other words, the same thing. Okay, a client, in other words, we can say is a product-based company, product-based company. Okay, product-based company or product company, I can say. So a client is a product-based company and implementation partner. What do you mean by implementation partner company? Okay, give me a second. So the client is a product-based company. Okay, it can be any company, guys, who will be coming for help. In other words, who needs our service. Implementation partner company is the one who is going to provide the service. Okay, say for example, the implementation partner companies, we have many in the market, like the software companies, like we have IBM, we have Wipro, what else? Infosys, what else we have? TCS or Cognizant, CTS, Deloitte, Accenture. So all these companies are the implementation partner companies, and the client is the product-based company. A product-based company can be anyone. Like Lenovo is a product-based company. A Sony is a product-based company. Nokia is a product-based company. Okay, BPL is a product-based company. Okay, and MRF or Nestle, Procter and Gamble. Okay, all these are the companies, the clients, we can say, the product-based companies. Now, these companies, they wanted this success factors implemented. They wanted this success factors application to be implemented in their company, and they can't do it on their own. So, the implementation service provider, the software companies, they're going to give a bidding, and any of these companies will be taking that project. Okay, the budget, whatever the allocation, all this things. So say, let us say Deloitte is a company, and they're going to do an implementation project for the client. Okay, so which client shall we take, guys? Because from the day one we'll be taking one particular client. Throughout our training we'll be doing an implementation for the same client. So you people can say, okay, we'll go for an implementation for this company. Tell me, which company shall we go for? Any client?
Yeah, you can go with
Which one?
TCS.
TCS is an partner. Okay. TCS is an service partner, implementation partner. I wanted a company from the product based.
BPL.
Yeah,
Yeah.
BPL. We can go for anything else. Any other company. So Samsung, we have done it for our previous project, previous batch. Okay. So any other company we can go for apart from BPL? Yeah, there are a number of companies, guys. Just
Yeah, Lenovo, we can go MRF.
very good. So Lenovo or MRF or BPL, anything we can go for. So let us say we'll be taking a Lenovo. Okay, Lenovo. So Lenovo India Private Limited. This is our client. This is our client, and for this client, we will be doing an implementation project throughout our classes. Lenovo India Private Limited is the name of the client, and the client is Lenovo, and the implementation partner company, the service provider is Deloitte. Let us say we are from Deloitte. So remember and assume yourself that you people are the consultants who are working in a software company called Deloitte. And you people are going to do an implementation project for the company, the client called Lenovo India Private Limited. So throughout this training, we are going to do an implementation project for this client. Okay, fine. Now, before doing an implementation project, so what do you mean by project and what are the different types of projects we have? Let us say the types of projects. So types of projects we have. The first one is implementation project. What are the other projects we have? One is implementation project. Next, support project. Next, rollout project. If you people are working, or if you people say in the interview, like we have around 4 years experience, 3 years experience, like you may be part of any project. It can be an implementation project, support project, or rollout project, or enhancement project. Enhancement project. Also, you can say integration project, and AMS project. AMS project. AMS project. So these are the different projects we have in the market, guys. These are the different projects which we are going to work. Now, who is going to explain? See, guys, my classes will be more interactive so that I understand all of you are from different backgrounds. So from the day one, we'll be having more interaction so that will it will be very much useful for your interviews purpose. Okay, so that's why I'll be interacting more. Okay, so who is going to explain now these types of projects now? What do you mean by implementation, support, rollout? Let it be, it's wrong also, it doesn't matter, but you have to interact. Okay, so now who is going to explain out of these projects?
Yeah, implementation is comes under, I think, a system from scratch. It's a new system.
Hmm.
And support project means we will give services to the clients, and I mean
Excellent,
end users.
excellent. Hmm.
And I think enhancement project comes under upgrade, means versions upgrade, I think.
Perfect. Okay, good.
um, yeah.
Does does anyone know the remaining? Any try? Guess? Assume? Assumption? Okay. So let me give the thanks for your explanation. Now let me add few more points from my side. Implementation project. What do you mean by implementation? Implementation project is a new project. For the first time, you're going to implement SAP Success Factors for the client called Lenovo. You're going to do one fresh implementation, which is from end to end. You're going to start it. You're going to start it. It's a fresh implementation. Okay, before that, there was no SAP Success Factors for the company called Lenovo, and you're going to start it. This is going to be an implementation project. End to one, you will be doing an implementation project. Start right from the ground level. You're going to do it. This is called implementation project. The client is going to provide you the complete requirement, that is a business requirement. So based on the business requirement, you're going to develop, or you're going to implement, or you're going to configure this in the success factors. That's going to be an implementation project. Now, support project, as you rightly said, support project is something once after implementation is done, if the business or the end users are getting any errors, that can be treated as a support project. An error is a ticket, an error is a bug. Okay, an error, a bug, anything can be treated as a ticket or incident that will be supported by the support team. You're going to resolve that particular issue. This is called your support project. So once after implementation, okay, while hiring the employee, if they are getting some error, the business end users are getting some error, and you're going to resolve it being a support team, and you will be the EC consultant, employee central consultant, and you're going to support that. Okay, you're going to resolve that issue. This is called your support project. So these are the main two projects, types of projects which we come across. One is implementation project, the other one is your support project. Now coming to this rollout, enhancement, integration and AMS, just I'll explain, you try to understand that. So rollout project is something like I'm doing an implementation globally around 80 countries or 110 countries. I'm going to do this implementation project. Say, let us say for India, Japan, China. So for all this complete Asia, I'm going to do it. Okay, Philippines, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, all these countries I'm going to do. So I have already done the implementation project for India and for Japan and for China and for Singapore. I have done it. And the fifth country is Malaysia. So for Malaysia, I no need to do something like right from the scratch. I can copy and paste from the Singapore implementation project most of the things, except the country specific payroll, all this. So a copy and paste kind of work will be will can be I mean, you can say that as a rollout project. Okay, rollout project means it's in copy and paste. Whatever you have done it for Singapore, the same thing you're going to do it for Malaysia. Only the currency, the country grouping, and other legal policies or statutory deductions. Okay, all these things will be changed. The country specific will be changed. The rest all the same. Then it can be, you can say it as rollout project. A rollout project. This is for multiple countries. When you're doing a global implementation, you can go for it. Enhancement project is something you have already done the implementation in the year 2020. Now some new change, okay, new change, some add-ons, some enhancements. This can be added as part of your enhancement project. Upgrade, as you rightly said, upgradation. See, in SuccessFactors, upgradation will be done automatically. Okay, so I'll show you in the system all those things, you know. So that will be done automatically. So in an enhancement is something which you are going to add up to your existing one. Very simple. Okay, that's going to be an enhancements project. Integration project. What do you mean by integration? So this is very important. Integration means the data is flowing from one application to the other application, or one product to the other product. Say for example, you people already working on SAP HCM, SAP HR, or SAP HCM. And this, so Lenovo, they have already implemented SAP HCM for the 20 years. They have been using this SAP HCM. So you have all the data of all the employees in the SAP HCM. Now they are moving to SAP SuccessFactors. SuccessFactors. Now the data will be transferred or moved from one application called SAP HCM, SAP HR to SuccessFactors. This is called integrations between one application to the other project, okay, or one product to the other product. All these are known as integrations. So when you are doing or involving in such project, that is known as integration project. You will have the middlewares called HCI, CPI, all this different story. So during our classes, I'll be explaining you in detail. AMS project, application management system. application management system project. So it is quite support and AMS project as combined, we used to say. Okay, I have done one implementation, one support project, and also part of AMS team, application management system. So what exactly is this AMS project? This is not a new implementation or support, but you're going to manage your application. Say, for example, um, until 2024, I have the holiday calendars, and for the next year, 2025, I do not have the holiday calendars. Okay, so holiday calendars regularly will be done by the end of the year, like December. Okay, for the year 2025, you're going to create new holiday calendar. January 1st, January 26th, August 15th. All these are the holidays for India. And the same way for other countries. These holiday calendars will be prepared or created in the month of December, the end of the year. So this will be done as part of the AMS project, because these are not the errors. These are not the errors to be part of the support team. When you are getting an error that will be resolved, that is called your support ticket, which will be handled by the support team. This is application managing. You are managing the application, your holiday calendars or some work schedules or some leaves, absences, anything is missing. You're going to manage all these things. It will be part of your application management system project. So I have explained you the different types of projects: implementation, support, rollout, enhancement, integration, as well as support project. Six types of projects we have. All these things I have explained you. Any questions, any doubts in this part, guys? Whoever new in the IT?
No,
No.
Praveen.
It's clear, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So we'll go throughout the classes, I mean, throughout our entire session in the same way. We'll be understanding from the ground level. What do you mean by client? What do you mean by the service partner? And what are the different types of projects? And how we are going to do the implementation. That's what we'll be doing in the entire training, guys. Okay, fine. Now, we have taken the company called Lenovo India Private Limited, who is our client. Okay, we are starting the implementation project now in the success factors. So, all of you, have you ever seen the success factors, how it looks like?
No.
Okay, let me show you the success factors. Give me a second. Got expired, it seems. Login again. So, guys, this is your success factors. Let us say today it's an introduction class of your success factors. How it is, I mean, being an SF consultant, what you're going to do, all these things I'll be explaining you. I'll be taking you through all this. Okay, so we will be working on the success factors, one of the module called employee syndrome. So in SF, in success factors, we have number of modules. What are the modules we have, team? What are the modules we have?
Core
What are the,
HR,
okay, go ahead.
talent talent module, HR analysis,
Analytics, okay, good.
and last one social module, social
Collaboration, okay.
collaboration.
These are the subcategories, we can say. It is classified or it is divided. Okay, so I'm asking here, what are the modules we have in success
Yeah.
factors?
Employee central payroll, performance management,
Very good. What else?
onboarding,
Okay, onboarding. What else? That's it. Recruitment, okay. Compensation, So we have a number of modules. Employee Central is one of the module. Employee Central Payroll is one of the module. PMGM, Performance Management and Goal Management is one of the module. Onboarding is one of the module. Recruitment is a module. Compensation is a module. Variable pay is a module. LMS is a module. So these are the different modules we have. Okay, analytics is a module. Okay, so you come across different modules. Each module deals with it related or relevant area, respective area. We can say compensation was related to your compensation related. Onboarding, when the employee joins, onboarding related, the joining formalities, all these things. Recruitment is a module which deals with selecting the candidate, scheduling the interviews, releasing the offer letters, all these things. PMGM is a module which takes care of the evaluation of the performance of an employee, rating scales, how his performance, what are his goals, all these things. Employee Central Payroll is a module which you're going to run the payroll entirely for the employee. And Employee Central is a module which takes care about end-to-end life cycle of an employee. So Employee Central is a module, end-to-end life cycle of an employee. Okay, you're going to hire the employee. Once you hire the employee, you're going to do a transfer, promotion, and team. What are the different, work schedules, leaves, and finally running the payroll. Everything will be covered in a single module called EC, Employee Central. Okay, so these are the modules we have in SuccessFactors. So once you log in SuccessFactors the first time, you people can see the SuccessFactors like this. This is your page, the home page. Those who are new, this is the SuccessFactors which we are going to work. Okay, so here you have the home page. You can see lots of things over here: home, careers, compensation, continuous performance development, all this. Okay, the related you can go for, and you have something called search. So this is an inbuilt search engine within the SuccessFactors, just like your Google search engine. Okay, you can go and search whatever you want. So that's the reason no need of any programming or coding language is required for this SuccessFactors learning. Anyone can do with any background. If your background of IT recruitment, non-IT, or if your background from the finance or stocks, anyone can do this, which is very simple and easy, user friendly, we can say. This is the application which we are going to work. If you want to see any employee details, say for example, so you can type the name of the employee. Okay, if you give any name, it's going to show the list of employees which are available in the system. The list of employees which are available in the system. You can click on that particular employee and you can check all the details. So let us see one employee details. Let us say Janet Cross as the employee. So I'm clicking on this employee. So I can see the complete profile of the employee here. A complete profile of the employee by clicking on the respective employee. So I'm not using any codes. Just if you know the name of the employee, you can directly click on. I can see the information about the employee. Okay, this employee is Janet Cross, and you can see the employee information like personal information, the first name, last name, preferred language, the contact information, address and contact information of the employee. Okay, and employment information. This employee is working in the company called Best Run, the business unit division, and she is working in the department called HR Business Office, and the location is from Boston. The time zone is US. Okay, so like this, you can see all the information, the job information related, and she is reporting to Mr. James Eatman. He is the supervisor. Employee status, you can see active employee. The job title is country, job title is CHRO, the country is United States. Likewise, you can see all the employee details of the employee. Okay, for any employee and to whom is she is reporting to. So this is how a profile can be viewed in the success factors in a single click. It is an user friendly application, guys. No need to search or no need to give any transaction code, how to see their mobile number or contact number. So directly you can go to the contact information and you can see the email ID as well as the landline number, whatever. Okay, so likewise, this is how you're going to see the profile of an employee in the success factors. Okay, fine. So any employee, if you want to see, just give the name of the employee. It's going to show list of employees and their data in the system. Now, what we are going to work and how we are going to work, I'll show you. So this is where you will be working. You'll be working. Okay, you can see all the details, all this. So this is your success factors home page where we'll be continuously working. By end of this course, if I say your name, okay, Pavan Veena, if I say, or Ruchi, or some other names, if I say, so how we have seen the name of the employees, okay, so in the same way, we are going to see our employees in the system, your profiles in the system. Okay, all of your profiles in the system working for the company called Lenovo. So how many employees for the Lenovo I can see? I can see the Lenovo employees, who is the CEO, who is the vice president, who is the team manager, project manager, who is the SF consultant, EC consultant. All of your profiles in the system will be can be seen. And for these employees, if one employee is applying leave, the other employee is going to approve it. So all these real-time scenarios will be working in this system. In this system. So to work on this, we need to hire the employee. We need to hire the employee. So to hire an employee, you need to have a company. So now we have chosen the company called Lenovo India Private Limited. This is the company or the client. For this company, we are going to do an implementation. So as of now, there is no Lenovo in the system. So we are going to create this company in the system. So before creating this company in the system, you need to take the business requirement. Business requirement. Okay, business requirement you're going to take. So let us say the business requirement is like this. Okay, so I'll be taking here. So since we are working for the Lenovo India Private Limited, the name of the company is Lenovo India Private Limited is the name of the company. I mean, this is the blueprint of the organization. Okay, so Lenovo is a company. It has different branches, different departments at different locations, and they have different products. They have different products. Okay, so what are the products you can see for Lenovo, guys? For Lenovo, what are the products you can see?
Laptop,
Very good. One is laptops. laptops. What else? You have mobiles also, if you know that. Lenovo, they have the mobiles. What else?
television,
You have televisions also, Lenovo, right? Okay. So let us say a call center, customer care, or BPO. Okay. So I'll say a call center or BPO, all these things. So we have these are the sub units or the business units under the Lenovo. Like if it is for Reliance, under Reliance we have petrochemicals, telecom, broadband, entertainment, pharma, oil and natural gas. All these are the different businesses. Okay, for Reliance Infocom. And the same way for Lenovo, they are into laptops, mobiles, televisions, call center, all this. You can say the client is going to provide you all this requirement. You can say electronics or durable or non-durable goods or non-durable business. Okay, so electronics or non-electronics, you can say anything. So we have divided or subcategorized like laptops, mobiles, televisions, and call centers. These are the different businesses they have, and they are from different locations. They are in Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So Delhi, Noida, Mumbai, Pune, then Hyderabad, Bangalore. So Chennai. So likewise, okay, you people can go with the. So this is the rough structure of the organization. This is the rough structure of the organization. In other words, you can say it's a blueprint. This is the client requirement. This is my company called Lenovo. And first thing, we need to create this in the success factor system. So that means I need to create a company called Lenovo. I need to create different businesses called laptops, mobiles, televisions, call center, finance, or BPO, all these businesses. Then I need to create the locations called Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, all these locations. Then I need to create the departments called sales department, marketing department, finance department, admin department, all these things. So guys, during our classes, I'll be explaining you how to create a company from tomorrow onwards. How to create a company, what is the path, how to create it. I'll be explaining you. Okay. Then I'll explain you how to create the business units like laptops, how to create a business unit called laptops. The rest of the business units you people are going to create from tomorrow onwards. I'm going to explain you how to create a location called Delhi. First, I'll explain you what do you mean by location, which holds the physical address of the company or a branch. I'm going to give you a definition. Then I'll show you how to create a location in SuccessFactors application. So the first location will be created by me, Delhi. Noida, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, or Kerala, Ahmedabad, and other locations will be created by you people. So from the day one, your hands-on experience, you will be practicing, you'll be creating the rest of the things. So departments, I'll be creating sales department, marketing department. So one department I'm going to create. I'll explain you what do you mean by department. The rest of the departments, you people are going to create it the very next day itself. So right from the day one, you people will be practicing whatever I'm explaining you here. You'll learn, and whatever you people are going to create, those are known as your assignments. From the day one, you will keep practicing. So in the next day, First 5 minutes we'll see your work. If you're getting any errors, okay, how to resolve that error, what is the purpose, what are the interview questions in this particular area. So all these things will be covered. So from tomorrow onwards we'll be covering how to create the if in these functionalities, okay, how to create this in the success factor system. Tomorrow onwards we are going to start. Since today is the first session, just wanted to explain you what do you mean by success factors, how it looks like, what do you mean by client, what are the different projects we have, and what project we are going to do, and how to gather the business requirement, and how to configure that in the system. From tomorrow onwards we are going to start. So today I'm stopping it here. Okay, I'm stopping it here. If you have any questions or anything, you people can ask. Any questions? Jyotimai Devi, Pavan, Rahul, Rinki?
No, Ravi. Fine.
Okay then, fine. So tomorrow we'll straight away I'm going to show you the definitions and theoretical. I'm going to show some documents, and we will start configuring that in the success factor system. From tomorrow we'll start. Okay.
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 Okay, right. Thank you.
Thank you all. See you tomorrow in
Thank
the
you.
same time, same meeting. All of you. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.